morning, students. Today I will teach you how we can multiply any number by tens and hundreds. Okay. So for example, if I write 3 multiplied tens. So what you need to do, you only need to see the number. So here you can see 3 is there and here 1 is there, right? So we'll multiply first of all the numbers. Okay, so 3 into 1, it will be how much? 3, right? After writing the answer, we'll put the 0. Okay, here 1 0 is there, so we'll put only 1 0 with 3. Okay, so our answer will be what? 30. Okay, now for example, if I write another number like 8 multiplied 30. So here 30 means what? 3 tens. So we can write this one 8 into 3 tens. Right? Now see the numbers 8 and 3 is there. So 8 3s are 24 tens. Right? Now these 24 tens we can write it as 2 4 and tens, it represent what? 1 0. So our answer will be what? 240. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we can multiply any number with tens. Okay, now we'll see how we can multiply it by 100. Okay, so if I write another number, say for example 7, and if I multiplied 7 by 100, we'll see only the numbers. So here 7 is there, here 1 is there. So 7 into 1, it will be 7, right? And now we'll put this 20 in the right side of the number. So our answer will be what? 700. Okay, like this only. If I write 12 multiplied 100, so here you can see 12 is there and here 1 is there. So if we multiply any number with 1, we'll get the same number. So 12 into 1, it will be 12, right? After writing the number, or I can say the answer, we'll put the zeros in the right side of the number. So this is what we got, the answer of 12 multiplied 100. Okay. So now we'll do some questions that are given in your book. Okay, my dear students, now see page number 115, exercise 4, question number 1. So here the first one, here we need to do what? Multiplication. Okay. Okay, so now see 6 and 1 is there. So 6 into 1, it will be how much? 6, right? And we'll put 1 0 because this having only 1 0. Okay, first of all we'll do the multiplication of the numbers, then we'll simply add the zeros. Okay, now see the B part. So 8 and 2 is the number, right? So 8 into 2, it will be how much? 16, and we'll put 1 0. Now see the C part. 5 4s are, it will be how much? 20. Now we'll put this 0 here, right? Now see D part. 8 4s are, it will be how much? 32, right? And now we'll put this 0 here. Okay, now see E part. So 7 and 1 is there. So 7 1s are 7. And now we'll add these two 0. Right? Now see F part. 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16. And we'll put now these two 0 here. Okay. Now see H part. 3 7s are 21. Now we'll put this 2 0 here. Now see H part, 9 4s are 36, and now this 2 0 we'll put it here. Now see I part, 56 1s are 56. Now only I said, right, if we multiply any number with 1 we'll get the same number. And now we'll put this 1 0 here. Now see J part, 405 multiplied 10. So we'll see the only one number, right? So we'll get 405, and now we'll add this 0 here. Now see K, 12 into 2, it will be how much? 12 2s are 24. Okay, now we'll put this 0 here. Now see L part, 100 into 12, so sorry, not 12, 21. So 21 1s are 21. And now this 2 0 we'll put it here. Okay, my dear students, so I hope you have understood how we can multiply any number by tens and hundreds. Okay, only you have to multiply the numbers, and after multiplying the numbers you have to add the zeros. That's it. Okay. Okay, now my dear students, I will teach you how we can multiply any 2 digits number, okay, without regrouping. So for example, 12 multiplied 11. So these two numbers we need to do what? Multiplication. So first of all we'll write this one like this, 12 multiplied 11, sorry. So now see this number 11, this 11 we can write like 10 plus 1. Yes or no? 10 plus 1 is also 11, right? So first of all we'll multiply this 1 with this 12. Okay, and then we'll multiply this 10 with this 12. So first of all, 1 into 12, it will be how much? If we multiply any number with 1, we'll get the same number, right? So we'll get what? 12, right? Now we'll multiply this 10 with the 12. So 10 into 12, it will be what? Yes, we need to add the zeros, right? So 12 and just add the zeros, it will be 120, right? So we'll write 1 2 0 like this. Okay, now we'll add these two numbers. So 2 plus 0, it will be 2, 1 plus 2, it will be 3, and this 1. So our answer will be what? 132. Okay, this is how we can multiply any 2-digit number without regrouping. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So let's do some questions that are given in your book. Okay, now see exercise 5 that is given in your book. So here you can see 2-digit numbers are there. 42 multiplied with 22. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we'll write this 22 as 20 plus 2, right? So first of all we'll multiply 42 with 2, and then we'll multiply this 42 with 20. So for 42 with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So what we got? 84, right? Okay, now we'll multiply 42 with 20. 42 multiplied 20 means what? 2 tenths, right? That means we can multiply it with 2. Then we can add 1 0, right? So I will write this one here, okay? So 42 multiplied 22. So this 22 I expand it with 20 plus 2, right? So 2 into 42 we get what? 84, right? Now 42 into 20, 42 into 2, 84. Now we'll add 0, we'll get what? 840. Now we'll add these two numbers, so 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 plus 8, 9. So our answer will be what? 924. So this one we can write it here. So 84, and after that we get what? 840, and our answer that we got, $924. I hope you have understood how we can multiply any 2-digit number. Okay. Okay, now let's see B part. So 23 multiplied 13. So 13 we can write it like 10 plus 3, right? So now we'll multiply first of all 23 with 3, and then we'll multiply it with 10. Okay. So 23 into 3, it will be how much? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. We got what? 69. Now we'll multiply 23 with 10. So 23 into 10, it will be 230, right? Now we'll add these two numbers, so 9, 6 plus 3, 9, and this 2 here. So our answer will be what? 299. Okay. So I hope you have understood this one. So this C part, okay, this one you will do in your copy along with AB. Okay, this entire question you have to do in your copy. Okay, classwork copy. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay students, now we'll see how we can multiply any 2-digit number with regrouping. Okay, previous one we have discussed how to multiply any 2-digit number without regrouping. Now we'll discuss, okay, we'll see how we can multiply any 2-digit number with regrouping. So for example, we need to multiply 23 with 43. Okay, so how we will do this one? So first of all, we'll write the number like 23 multiplied 43. Again, we'll expand this 43 as 40 plus 3, right? Now we'll multiply 23 with 3. So if we multiply 23 with 3, we'll get 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69, right? Now if we'll multiply 23 with 4. Why 4? Because it is in tens place, right? 40 is there, so we'll see only the numbers. So 23 into 4, so 4 3s are 12, 1, okay, 1 is there, 1 will be there. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So we got what? 92. Now we'll add this 0, so it will become 920. So now we'll write this one here. Okay, now we'll add these two numbers. So 9 plus 0, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. And this one 9. So our answer will be what? 989. Okay, this is how we can multiply it with regrouping. Okay. Okay, now see students, page number 117, exercise 6. So here we need to do multiplication with regrouping. Okay, so see the first one, 37 multiply 24. So 24 we can write it like 20 plus 4. So first of all we'll multiply it with 4, 37 with 4, then 37 with 20. So 37 multiplied 4, it will be how much? 4 7s are 28, 8, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. So what we got? 148, right? Now we'll multiply 37 with 20, but we will take only 2, not 0. So 2 7s are 14, 4 1, 2 3s are 6, 7, 74, right? And we'll add this 1 0, so it will become what? 740. So we'll write this one here, 740. Now we'll add these two numbers. So 8 plus 0, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, 7 plus 1, 8. So our answer is what? 888. Okay, this is how we can multiply these two numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. So this B, C, D, E and F. Okay, the rest of it you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, is it clear? So this one you will do in your classwork copy. Okay.